Two crashes on Arizona freeways within 16 hours of each other, both fatal. The first one happened on Interstate 10 Sunday when an SUV's tire blew, killing two people.
And it's because they weren't wearing seatbelts. It takes you less than 5 seconds to put a seatbelt on.
Two more victims died Monday on I-17 after a van slammed into a disabled big rig.
When you have a combination of vehicles that are not ready for summertime driving, tires that are not ready for summertime driving, and people that are not buckled up, then you see carnage, and that's what we've seen here in Phoenix.
Now, officials from Arizona's Department of Public Transportation say they're amping up enforcement.
That's a very kind of a no-brainer. People should automatically make sure folks are buckled up in their car because they take responsibility for their safety when they're driving them. So we're going to cite those folks more often.
DPS officials say state troopers will now be more likely to hand out a citation rather than a warning in response to the alarming number of deadly wrecks so far this year, a total of 144 on state highways.
We encourage everybody not to be distracted while you're driving and always wear your seatbelt. Those are the two primary things that we're trying to hammer down.